Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one is using directly your contact list, so the number you've got currently saved, or let's say the dialer settings where you will be able to enter the number manually. And of course I'll show you both. So I'd like to start with the contacts, so let's enter the contacts obviously. Find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. So let me block Anna. Now let's tap on more, there's three dots icon, and tap on block contact. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this particular number, so just tap on block if you're ready. And as you can see here, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that for sure we blocked this contact. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on more and tapping on unblock contact, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So right now, in the second way of blocking the number, it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts recent or the keypad. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and open the settings. As you can see, actually on the very first position we've got the block numbers, so let's enter, and here we've got our blacklist. This is the number we just blocked from our contacts, so everything went fine. What's more, here we've got the contacts and the recents, and of course you can use this option to block another contact, but this way, in this case, blocking the numbers is a little bit different, because thanks to this you will be able to block a lot of numbers in a row, so you can just mark them and add them to the blacklist. So totally different than it was before, because then you will have to do it manually one by one. So as I said, in this way you will be also able to add a phone number manually, so you do not have to have it saved on your contacts. Just tap on this area and enter the number you want to block. After that, tap on the plus icon, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on our blacklist. What's more, here we've got the option block unknown private numbers. You can activate it just by tapping on the switcher, and thanks to this your device will obviously block unknown and private numbers. Of course you can turn it off the same way. Here you've got the option block spam and scam calls. Okay, just give all the permissions, and here you will be able to turn on the caller ID and spam protection, so you will be able to block spam and scam calls. So it's of course up to you if you'd like to turn it on or off. So basically that's all. You can of course unblock those numbers just by tapping on this minus icon right next to it, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.